Want to save your favorite restaurants for quick access? Let's learn how to add favorites on the Uber Eats app. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to add favorites on Uber Eats app. So let's get started. First, open the Uber Eats app. On the home screen, tap on the search bar at the top. Enter the restaurant's or food's name that you are interested in. From the search results, find and select the restaurant or food item you want to add to your favorite. Once you are in the details page, look for the heart icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to add the item to your favorite. And this is how you can add to favorites on Uber Eats app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.